Hi guys, welcome back with the last puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Saturday, March the 20th, 2021. The last puzzle I will solve is a tectonic with 4 stars. Yes, with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. And will this be a really a 4 stars puzzle? I do not know. We will see. And but this one will be 2505. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. Well, this one has 13 printed digits. Could be a hard one, I do not know. So let's get started. The first question is, can we see here the single box? I see here the single box. The single box is always a 1. Do we have more single boxes? No. I see here the dual box. Dual box is 1 and 2. I cannot fill this yet, so I mark those, the 1 and the 2. Then we see here the triple box, quadra box. Quadra box, it contains the 1, 2, 3, and a 4. We see here 2, so those are 3 boxes. Surrounded 2 cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then this box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. Quadra box. Alright, the next step is to recognize some. I see here also a triple box. The 2 is already filled in, so the 1 and the 3 are left. 1 and the 3, 1 and 3. Okay, then the next step is to recognize some shapes. For example, the T shape or T constriction or T figure. What you need to know is this box is the same as that box. Alright, so this box is the same as that box. And this box is the same as that box. Okay, do we have more T constriction? No, the L shape. Yes, the L shape. This box is the same as that box. Okay, so this box is the same as that box. Yeah, T shape again. This box same as that box, and yeah. Okay. More L shape. No. Then this kind of shape. This box has the same number as that box. So this should be also a 2. Alright. So this box the same as that box. Do we have more? Yeah. This one. This box is the same number as that box. So this should be a 4. Okay. Do we have more? No. Yeah, here. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. And then this kind of shape. Okay. This box has the same number as that box. So it should be also a 5. Alright. So this box, same as that box. Okay. More of these kinds of shapes. No. So let's continue. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. this box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Those two boxes cannot be a 3, so one box left for the 3 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so one box left for the 3 should be there. This is a 4. Okay, then these 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 and the 5 should be in these 2 boxes. Alright. So the other pair in this L figure or L shape should be the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 1 goes there. This should be also 2 and the 5. It's connected with that box. 2 and the 5. Alright. Then this box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 and the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. One box left in this area for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 5. And it's connected with that box. Should be also a 5. One box left in this L shape should be the 2. Alright. I think this box should be a 1 because it cannot be 2, cannot be 3, cannot be 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely 1. Okay. This box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1, should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Alright. Then these 2 boxes are left for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. Alright. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 and the 2 goes as a pair in those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. Okay. Then let me think. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box, no. Just 2. This box cannot be 1 or 5 because I need a 1 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. So it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 5, but it can also not be a 4 or 4. And it can this box is connected with that box, and it cannot be a 3 because we have a 3 there. And this is connected with that box. So it cannot be a 3, cannot be a 1, cannot be a 5, cannot be a 4. So 1 digit left should be a 2. Yes. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright. Then. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, this box is connected with that box, so it should be also a 1. Alright. So 1 box left for the 2. I've eliminated the 2 here. The 2 should be there. Alright. I have marked those 2 boxes with 1 and a 3. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be 1 anymore. This box should be the 1. And that box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Alright. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 and the 5 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated the 1 here, so the 1 should be here. 1 box left in this area for the number 2, alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be 1, so the 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be the 1, and this box should be a 2, alright. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 5, cannot be a 2. So it's 3 or 4. 3 or 4, okay. Well, 4, 4. 2 boxes left in this triple box, the 1 and the 3. Alright. That means that these 2 boxes cannot be a 1 or a 3. The 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Alright. So the other pair should be the 3 and the 5. No, 2 and the 5. That means that this box cannot be a 2. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 1, and that box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. Alright. Let me think. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So that box should be the 4. Now we have in this L shape 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Then, let me think. This box, 1, 3, 2. Yeah. Let me think. 4 and a 5. Suppose I've marked those 2 boxes with the 4 or the 5. Suppose this box is a 5. Then these 3 boxes surround a 5 cannot be a 5. But also that box cannot be a 5, and I need a 5 in this W shape area. So this is not the solution to place the 5 here. It should be the 4. Alright. So we have a 4 here. So that box should be a 5. Alright. So these 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 there. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be the 4. And that box should be a 3. Alright. Then. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5. And this box should be a 1. Alright. Now we have a 5 here. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 boxes left in this W shape area. The 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, the 2 goes there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means if I place a 1 here, then I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is not the solution, the 1 here. The 1 should be there. Okay. Yeah. Let me think. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 1. And that box should be a 3. Alright. Now we have a 3 there. So this box cannot be 3 anymore. This box should be a 3. And that box should be a 1. Alright. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area. For the numbers 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there, alright. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be the 3, alright. In this quadrat box, 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. Then. This box cannot be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Yeah. The last part. This box cannot be a 5 because I need a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here. So this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Alright. 3 boxes left. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes here. And the final number of this area for the number 5. Alright. Finish in 80 minutes. Alright. So is this really a 4 stars puzzle? No. I think whether it's a 2 stars or 3 stars. But not a 4 stars. But I like this Tectonic. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow with the rest of the puzzles in this edition of Saturday's newspaper, March the 20th. See you. Have a great Saturday. See you on Sunday. Bye-bye for now.